Wildlife explorers Manipur WEM drew attention of authority concerned to declare Lamphelpat wetland in Imphal West District as important bird area IBA following the sighting of Eurasian curlew, commonly known as curlew, categorized as near threatened NT. The migratory bird was spotted and captured by WEM member Lawrence on April 3rd for the second time in the state. The first sighting of the bird was recorded in 2001 at Kaibul Lamjau National Park. Elangbam Premjit, secretary of WEM, said the bird has been declared near threatened by International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN. The sighting of the rare birds at Lamphelpat makes the wetland one of the most important sites internally. Accordingly, he appealed to authority concerned to declare Lamphelpat wetland as important bird area.